Hi everyone, in this video, I will be analyzing the Ajex project case study. The project is managed by Chen, a discipline leader at CBA Corporation, a U.S. defense contractor. His team is tasked with building a sophisticated security system that integrates laser, optical, tactile, and audio components. While the project started with clear structure and strong technical foundations, it is now experiencing serious issues, failed system tests, low team morale, and internal conflict. So let's evaluate Jen's effectiveness as a project manager. He did several things right. He organized a team building retreat early on, introduced daily stand-ups, and maintained visibility over team schedule. These are all positive practice, right? However, his approach had been largely reactive. He had not addressed the work culture and emotional divide within team. As conflicts increased, he failed to maintain a shared sense of purpose or reinforce the team's core values. In short, Chen has demonstrated a strong technical and organizational skills, but he has struggled to manage interpersonal dynamics and team coherence under pressure. So let's analyze the core problems in the Agile project using managing project teams concepts. First, in terms of team development, the group started well but now has regained to the storming stage. Conflict and task failures has stalled the process, and the team hadn't moved toward norming or performing. Second, look at the motivations and team energy. We can see a clear shift from high initial engagement to what we call negative scenery. Team members are emotional exhausted, some are disengaged, and collaborations is breaking down. Third, there are critical situational factors. The team is large and diverse, with gaps in age, experience, and compensation. This difference has created resentment and hindered cohesion. The added stress of working with untested technology under tight deadlines only make it worse. Finally, from a leadership and team norms perspective, while Chen is active and hands-on, his approach is mostly reactive. He hadn't reinforced a shared vision or developed structured ways to handle conflict or rebuild team trust. So, how can we solve this problem? At the team level, Chen needs to organize a reset. This would be a meeting when the entire team reflects on recent setbacks and establish shared goals. He also needs to reintroduce team norms. A team charter could have formalized expectations around communications and accountability and respect. Cross-functional collaborations should be encouraged by pairing hardware and software engineers together to solve issues directly. And it is important to separate small wins to rebuild confidence and energy within the team. At a broader level, Chen should consider revising the way progress is measured. Instead of focusing only on large milestones, the team should work in smaller sprints with more achievable short-term goals. The reward system also needs adjustment. Instead of bonuses solely to final outcomes, there should be recognition for teamwork, problem solving, and continuous learning. Additionally, Chen should make space for emotional check-ins and listen to team concerns. So I think as a leader, developing emotional intelligence is key to long-term success. So is Agile a good fit for this project? In a full form, I think not really, because this is a defense project with a fixed scope and strict compliance and requirements. However, some agile principles can still be very helpful. Daily stand-ups are already in this place. Short iteration cycles or sprints could be used for subsystem integrations and testing. Also, giving subsystem more autonomy over their modules would increase ownership and efficiency. I think the best solution is a hybrid model. Agile principles for teams' internal workflow combined with traditional waterfall structure to meet government standards. So that is the end of my analysis. Thank you for your time and attention. So